Hello colleague, now is the year 2023, spring, but to show the benefits of our educational video lessons, let's go back to the year 2020 and I will show one of our objects. This is a domed house in the technique of rectangular slating. Here the task was to cover these crazy polygons with slate. At that time I proposed to make this house simply spherique, but the architect was excited by this shape. I suggested covering like this with protrusions or with metal drippers. We settled on this option. I am an adept of the German school and I really like German traditions in the roof. But in professional activity there are various projects that require various unusual solutions. And here is one of those. On this project, I made a traditional German ridge, which is familiar to me, but here a traditional French ridge without protrusions would look much more harmonious. At that time, I just didn't know how to do it. In my opinion, what came out looks rough, this ridge is too prominent. And French in this context would look much more elegant and create an interesting pattern on the surface. Check out our tutorial on creating a French ridge, it's actually even easier to do. And what do you think about this? Please write in the comments which way you think is better. We are all developing and learning something new. The main thing is not to close yourself off and not to think that you already know everything, even if you are a very experienced professional. For example, I enjoy watching the tutorial video of Mr. Hans-Peter Konnecke, and I recommend you the link below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube, watch our video lessons, you will surely learn something interesting. I will be glad if any of this helps you solve non-standard tasks and earn more globally. If you enjoy our tutorials, just share this or any other of our tutorials with your friends. Embraced.